Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for the same way there. Bibia Elkono, it is not looking good. It is not looking good for the police and the authorities. Now, Mr. Ramo said, and there a very first time waha. Subscribe and click the notification bell on so send your bell and no any down screen to see we understand latest news we about one sa ebeka. Say Endra, you the breaking news Bremo say Abranti a friend of Wumba were prime suspects in the murder of a senior Legon lecturer a friend of Professor Bene Abranti Wumba no yate say we wu police hospital. Ghana for bebre na antia say hey we there cover up koso Abrantie ne maame ababonten den nsema betudwa na wotie nsema ne maame eka complete contrary to nsema police for eka na Abrantie ne maame na krade wo ka ne say senior na police for eka say ne ba no a confess say wonu no kum papa no no kum papa na Abrantie ne maame say embra wo no maame no wo kokosra ne ba no eya na ne ba no eka esuma semtre ne se ma onim se ade we ya ye kan se ye me na mekum papa me na mekum nim se enye me nim ho hwe asem ma me na eka no o se Abrantie no eya na wo ka tre no se ade no enye wo no nanso ase ye ya de ahye ne kon se ye ono nanso enye ono ene okum papa no na ma me ne din ede Talata Nona. Inti Talata Nona na wone journalist kasa Endra na wo kan semboy. Wo say wakosra ne ba no last week. Na wakosra ne ba ne last week no na bibia anye no ne ba ne nyo obi a woyare. Na obeti ane se police force ne ba ne wunti won bra no be ye postmortem. Wo say wakwa no hu se ne ba ne kran no Endra send your report say Endra no send the banner can Endra no wuye. Wo be 3 days ago. And a police for no Endra na send the babontin and sana yin na yete. Nti ne banner wu on 16th. 16th year 16th year 3 days ago. And your report here on 19th. Nti the 19th na mame ne ka send the banner wu 3 days ago. Your checks so address and the cre Abrantie no wo on 16th, but we got to hear of the news on 19th. It's in my message was not there. Sa die we aba bontin ya ne ba ne wo se wo nkrofo na eku no. Ne ba ne yare was ran ne ba ne last week ya everything was okay, everything was well. And na ne ba ne ka kire no say ni say ma say enye me na meku papa no, enye me na meku no. Say o say sa na ne ba ne de bia wo kan. But aposi for ba bonti ani e katre Ghana for say Abrantie ne se wonu no kun no wo kun ni se wo kun ni se wo kun ni se asemu a maame ne kan no na maame ne se asemu a wakan ya e ma journalist kan hu say we die emu orem ene say wo se ye ma ne ba ne fried rice na obi bread ne ba ne fried rice enye ono maame no obi a ono maame ni nim no e bread ne ba ne fried rice. Na fried rice na the bread ne ba no wodi wie ye na miyem eno ene ade a ende e de aba abonten a ye ka se ne ba no wewu no nti wo no maame ne de wo kopɛ lawyer na eyekum ene yekum ne ba no ye de asem ato ne ba ne so ye wie ye ya sanso ekum ne ba no de maame no eka no I say on countless occasions ne ba no e deny ye I say na ne ba ne kra ahye maame ne se ma wo de me nsuro nyankopon ewo ho nko ade asemboi ye be film de bia asem ana ne ba ne ka kire ne ba ne monwe ka kire no se ma me nsuro enye hwe eno ane se chale yes owu ye on 17th October. Yes, he died on 17th, 2 days ago. And she was informed on October 19th by 4 armed men from the CID, about 10. I was only informed by my son's girl. I say, ne girlfriend, ne girlfriend, Veronica. I say, I was only informed by my son's girlfriend, one Veronica, that Wumba was unwell. I was told that somebody gave him fried rice, and I think the fried rice might have been contaminated. My son might have been killed through food, or some people were after his life. I say, Mama, I need to Jana read the actual. I say, I don't know what to do now. When him the obeyers say. Now what I was in the band pan and no ye breadwinner e wo fie ho. Ono na okọ na wo de sikaba okọ no de biaba because ono ma me nankasa de wonye adwuma. Na was in the band de adwuma bia oye e ma ne so ni plumbing, carpentry, water, electrical works wo ye. Inti na ne band nankasa no wo eye madam na wo ne madam ni ye adwuma ba madam ni betu kwan e kwa abrochire o se de Inti eho na em say Professor Beneno na wo hia obi abaye adwuma bi ama no. Inti senia abrante ne ye adwuma na ye Professor Benene de ana ye ne fe. Na Professor Benene ka say oh abrante mi nya ya nka obeba abaye adwuma ma me every time. No ka say okay no problem. No ka tell say mekra madam amene ne ye adwuma kra we tu kwan inti no mekra no me da hokwa inti no say wo say me be ye adwuma ma wa no problem. Eno no ko ye adwuma ma papa na ensem we ni na ebesi esi tisisi asem there mama wa tell us asem there ba na ye two sides but this particular matter there me there to be frank I'm not picking a side. To be frank, I'm not picking a side on this particular matter. But sisi anso abrante ni nso ewu asem no nso abrante ni won tumi ko gina court ni enko question no ni ehun ne say oh ebia yes aden ni si ye ne kre ana hey asem boy din o etie for me can bibia say asem boy din din papa eh nti e be ko say ni asem boy e be ko say ni You heard the Ghana for air can after my meno eba bontain ebeki can same way na Ghana for air show more. In fact, yesterday a lot of people were not happy about this story. A lot of people were not happy. Now Crawford can say, aha, wait dear. And it is rather drawing attention. Now so see you. Ebia nenye sanete. Ebia nenye sanete. But you see, it is rather drawing attention. In Crawford twin Crawford adwenya koso say, hey, ana papa no ni wo no bibi techi. Won. It is rather drawing attention. Because asem no na chese na some way say ho na branch ya yesi ye de ne kokote ho na yesi a branch yewu ei nimtini ma me so na ba bontin be kan say ne girlfriend na katre no because the girlfriend ya na wotande ne kasa otai ko ne ho so den say ne girlfriend na katre no se bobi na de fried rice bread no omu nim ni pa ko de fried rice ne bread no odi fried rice ni wi ya and they me yemi or yare. They didn't call hospital team and away we. Into my minute dear, one of the bear some account. Say, as far as me bani woo yet, mo train ye 2 days after. And sana more catch me in the natural say mo no more ye bibi. Well him Ghana for. But the bear some account. And no wash us yes a walk no. So that's what the mother is saying. Obviously, the truth will be out by all means. And on the comment again and be a pass on this particular matter. Naturally, say was saying the credit there. What cost from cry BP? Was say your son is a killer, and whoever killed him is also a killer. They are all killers, all die be die. Asema will be air canon. Obviously, I agree, Enoch. The other person is also an accomplice and a shareholder. Okay, Obinzu say. In Ghana, the police keeps everything secret from the public, thereby creating doubts and arguments. In Nigeria, suspects are paraded and interviewed by the police through questions. Masa, Nigeria for our day police babe compare in Ghana. Masa, if you're the Nigeria police for the year more, yeah, can Ghana police in Nigeria police they are not Nigeria. Now can Nigeria police they are nowhere near Ghana police. Ah, look at what's happening in Nigeria. Masa, man can't don't don't use Ghana police and Nigeria police in one sentence. It's a violation. Yes, I am telling you. Don't use Ghana police. Ghana police, they are not Mecca said they are not perfect. But say Nigeria police for and the whole can Nigeria police for some would better to Ghana police for Nana Jai. Masa. Pass here befa Nigeria police and befa Ghana police Nigeria police for you. Trigger happy police for ya. Ni bufu ya na wa treat you say o bold ekunu. O bold chionsu kuwa yenye ne he. Nigeria police for na wo de Ghana police for better to. Masa. Comparison bi wo ho a menye. Ghana fo angasa ho. Bisowo bia wo ye Ghana ni a wo to kwan kwa other countries, especially African countries. Omo ni na be catch say hey utu kwan kwa other African countries ho na oba appreciate Ghana oba hu say hey Ghana their freedom e wa ha say. Masa an African countries so ko twi phone class wo ko twa video udi agra ye bebo ekun jam pene na Ghana be bia wo bia obetumi atwi phone say wo twa picture wo yese Ghana police wo twa obetumi twa the video kra Nigerian police obo otu ekun intino please yeah ewom say asem we yesi maame na kasa say in sembi wo ho ankoso ye but this is not an opportunity for you to compare Nigeria police with Ghana police. No, I will not agree. In some Ghana for on this particular matter, no, comment box in the moment. That's it.